Learn what items to keep on hand, whether you're a master baker or a hobby baker. Join me. Let's get your cabinet stocked up for baking. I'm going to share with you a list of the items that I always keep on hand. So write these down and fill up your cabinets. All-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, bread flour, chocolate bars, chocolate chips, cocoa powder, cornstarch, dark chocolate bars, dark brown sugar, granulated sugar, light brown sugar, old-fashioned oats, powdered sugar, quick oats, raisins, yeast. Now get to the store and grab the items that you're missing. Fill your cabinets. You're either going to be a great baker or a mediocre baker in no time. Before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Click the little bell next to it so that way you never miss one of my videos. Welcome to DIY Your Life. Please hit the subscribe button and click on the little bell next to it so you never miss an organizational or cleaning video. Share this video on your social media with all your friends and family. And please click the thumbs up button below. Thanks!